If you're tired of feeling like you never have anything to wear, I'm sharing with you what I wore this week, not only to give you fall outfit inspiration, but my secrets on how I always look stylish as the temperatures start to get colder. If you're new here, it is your Jordan. If you're new here, it is your girl Jordan Blackwell of Little Miss JB Style, former materials engineer turned content creator, sharing how to be chic in all areas of life, giving you my secrets, my tips, how I always look put together by sharing with you my outfits from the week so you can see pieces that I like to reach for to look chic, so you can learn how to pair pieces together, and of course, giving you outfit inspiration to look stylish. So let's get into it. So it is Monday, and Monday for me is usually just like a work from home, doing a lot of filming because I try and get most of my videos done on Monday. That way I have like the rest of the week to edit. It just frees up a lot of my schedule, honestly, trying to just get all of it done. On a Monday, I have a couple of brand deals I'll be shooting and things like that today as well. So let me show you what today's look is working from home. This is today's fit. I'm giving you denim on denim matching set, but not an actual matching set because I'm going to be going in and out of like a ton of outfits today because I am filming not just some brand deals, but of course for YouTube as well. I like to just get it all done in one day. Like I said, this is one of the rare times I actually like to batch create content. Like the stuff you see on my Instagram, the outfits and things, I actually don't like to batch create that. But for YouTube, I do try and get at least like 2 to 3 videos filmed in a day. So that way I can be ahead of the curve and be on time for you guys. So this is one of my easy, just cozy work from home fits. This denim jacket is actually from Marshall's. It is in the middle of a DIY. I just cut the back out this weekend and I'm playing around with the front. As you can see, I really love the curve hem detail. If you've seen my RTA top, I wanted something to kind of mimic that, something kind of cool girl and edgy to go with my more darker jeans because I've really been obsessing with like denim jackets as tops. If you watch my chic denim outfits video, then you've seen this already. I've just been obsessed. Honestly, this is the perfect kind of actually like in between season top. It's like I don't have to worry about a jacket. It's still breathable, but also heavy enough to keep me warm. Obsessed. So this is your sign if you have like an older denim jacket and you're trying to figure out how to give it new life. Cut it up, make it look cute, wear it as a top. Honestly, this fall you are going to be seeing a lot of that and it just makes sense in my mind. And what I love is it actually goes like really perfectly with these Abercrombie and Fitch jeans. If you've watched my full denim collection, you've seen these jeans, you've heard me rave about these jeans. I did not think I was a low-rise girly, but baby, you see it's like just serving subtle body, like it's just giving casual cool girl. Like I said, denim on denim, like matching set without actually being a matching set. I'm here for it. And my jeans, I talk about this a lot, I need to make sure that I feel comfortable wearing them around the house. So these are actually super cozy. Again, they're like very roomy. This is something that for lounging, it's so easy to dress down or dress up and make work for different occasions. And then lastly, I have my Amazon slippers because I'm in the house. I'm not about to put on actual shoes unless I'm leaving the house. And I'll just show you a quick clip over here of like how I styled it. Honestly, just like casual shoes and a purse to go grab my coffee this morning. So if you're looking for something that's easy, like throw on and go, you are wanting to try something a little bit more fashion forward, denim on denim, honestly, has a moment every fall. I feel like that's just one of the classic combos at this point, the Canadian tux, however you want to call it. It makes a really great work from home outfit, but I also do look really put together in case I do need to hop on a quick like Zoom call, do a little conference meeting, something like that. You are looking put together for your meetings at home while still being comfortable and chic. Tuesdays, I like to typically work from a coffee shop. I find that it just kind of gives me some inspiration. I love to people watch. So I really like to do that before I go and like grab some groceries in the afternoon and then come back and work from the apartment. I find not only, like I said, it just gives me like that creative burst that I'm needing. It also gives me an opportunity to create content. If you watch my series on Tuesdays on Instagram, I love to share like where I get good lattes from. I just really love a latte. Let me be very clear, a good latte, not coffee. Coffee is, for those of you who can drink coffee black, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of cream. You a real one. It's not for me. And it's really like the homemade syrups. But anyway, let me get into what I'm wearing to go work from the coffee shop, run a couple of errands, and then come back to work at home. It is actually raining today, which honestly, I feel like is always the hardest for me to dress because I still want to be cute. I want to be bright and colorful, but I also just want to be comfortable. So I have this really cozy asymmetric sweater from Zara. If you watch my outfits on How to Style Brown Boots, you've definitely seen this top. I feel like this is where I'm going to live going from summer into fall, is just like asymmetric, fun, elevated. Like I don't want boring tops. I just don't, especially because I do feel like I'm leaning more into jeans and more casual like bottoms. I want to have something that's just a little bit different and a little bit more expressive. So I find that these tops do just that. Then these jeans from Frame, if you watch my full denim collection, you heard me rave because this is the first, I would say, like mid-range, not quite designer pair of jeans. And when I say I am just obsessed at how well they fit, like I did not have to get these tailored at all, and it's just giving like snatch. The color is perfect. These are just such comfortable jeans. Then for the accessories, it's just super simple. I have my go-to earrings from Bird Bee and then my signature rings that I just like to throw on and go because I just feel like that makes it easy. I don't really swap out my jewelry a whole lot. I feel like maybe the earrings you see me go through a bunch of different things, but personally, I just love to have like my couple kind of like statement rings. Everyone kind of knows me for the couple of rings that I wear, and then having more fun with my earrings. Comfortable shoes. I feel like I really wasn't in the mood to wear like heels and things like that. You know, your girl is 32 and 2 knee surgeries in, so it's just kind of like comfort, and these are really comfortable. Again, super easy. They go with just about everything, but I do love that they have the leopard print. I try to steer away from the styles that I feel like everyone else kind of has, so these are a little bit unique and they match. My go-to tote bag from H&M, this is my work bag. I have looked at a couple other ones, maybe like investing in something nicer, but this just is so much fun. It holds everything that I needed to hold. It's got a zipper inside. So until this breaks, I'm literally going to wear it into the ground. That's definitely one of my philosophies. I just feel like I don't need to instantly run out and replace something unless I really feel like I see something I want. I do try my best to just use what I have and just rewear what I already own. And I do feel like, right, that little bit of leopard print adds some personality. Let me get this day started, get some work done, go grab some groceries, and get into the rest of my day. It is Wednesday, and Wednesdays for me are all about networking. I like to go into the different stores, whether that's the mall, local shops, things like that, and actually talk to like the store associates, owners. That's a great way to really generate business, especially as an influencer. I think so many content creators and influencers really think like big brands and all those things, but because I take the time to go into a lot of local brands, frequent them, talk to the owners, talk to the people who work there, like I've gotten so many really cool opportunities just going to the places that I go and organically promoting those places that have led to really cool paid collabs. So here's my outfit for like a typical networking mall day type thing. It is another gloomy day here in Michigan. I actually wanted to use that as a chance to add just a little brightness, just a little bit of color, something easy. Whenever I go to the mall, not only is it about obviously like networking with the different brands and things like that, but I also do my try on videos at the mall too, so I try and make sure that I'm wearing clothes that I feel confident in, because when you wear clothes you feel confident in, babe, like you are not gonna settle for just like, oh, this looks better than what I have on. I really don't like to wear sweats and super casual clothes to the mall because everything looks better on me than sweats. So I do try and put in a little bit of effort. So I have this top that you have seen from Revolve. I love the wrap detailing. It just gives something different, but it's super cozy, like wearing a white tee. Then the cargos from Dynamite clothing. I get so many compliments on these. I wear them literally all the time. They're so cozy. And the other reason I tend to wear separates too when I go to the mall is that way if I'm trying on pants, I have a top that like works, versus if you like wear a dress, then you have to like go kind of figure out like a top to wear so you can kind of see the pants with the top. And then obviously vice versa, like having a good pair of pants, so if you are trying on tops, you can just kind of see how they'll work together. Then to add a little pop of color, you see I have these citrus dunks. I'm really obsessed with these. I wear yellow a lot. I don't think that just because like it's fall and it goes into winter, you have to like stop wearing certain colors. So yellow is definitely a year-round color for me. And to make it pop even more, I have this really cute Michael Kors purse that just again adds a little more pop, a little more sunshine to an otherwise gloomy day. So this is my mall day try on, going to talk to brands outfit. It is Thursday. Thursdays usually are another just like running errands, running around kind of day. So I actually do have a hair appointment. Not that I really need it, but I like to get my hair trimmed a couple of weeks before I go on vacation. It just makes my life easier to have it nice and short and in sport mode for when I'm on vacay, so I don't really have to worry about styling it too much. I can just get it wet and go because baby, I really don't like to spend a lot of time getting ready if I am 1000% honest. So I'm going to Beauty Anthology to see my girl Niani. She's gonna get my life together. Then I have a lot of just like admin work, so I'll be working from home for the afternoon. Let me show you one of my go-to outfits for running some quick errands but then coming back to work from home. When in doubt, I talk about this really often. I kind of reach for like a matching set situation. This is actually not like an official matching set, but one talent your girl has is figuring out pieces that basically match and go together like matching sets to create these kinds of outfits. So this skirt is actually from Shein. I know, I am so surprised. I feel like once in the bluest of moons, like once maybe a quarter, I may find a piece on Shein that I'm like, all right, let me just see what it's talking about. And I am not disappointed. This is so cute. It is perfect for fall. You know, I love chunky knits, the texture, the fringe, like it's just very cozy. Then I just paired it with a very simple turtleneck from H&M. That's what I love about this. Literally, it's just giving like matching set, easy throw on and go. I can wear this obviously to go run my errands and then come back home, swap out my boots from Zara for some slippers and just be like super comfortable. So of course I went with my Zara boots because you know I love to add animal print for a little bit of personality, and my Brandon Blackwood bag just mixing the textures. I talk about this when I wear monochrome head to toe. One, monochrome just gives luxury. I feel like we all know this by now. Wearing one color head to toe, just the ultimate version of chic. However, I don't like to be boring, you know, I like to stand out. So I love adding personality through like animal prints and different textures to keep my look from being boring and just put on my personal touch. It is really gloomy here, however, I do want to be just a little bit extra. So I'm gonna add these sunnies that I actually scored from a local boutique here in Detroit. I just feel like, right, it's just giving that like little bit of extra that I really, really love. Again, accessories are such an easy way to step up a look, like a statement pair of sunnies or a statement bag or a statement boot. Really, you can keep the rest of the look simple and let your accessories do the talking. So like I said, I am running a little bit behind. Let me go ahead and get my hair did, get this to-do list checked off for the afternoon, and enjoy the rest of my Thursday. It is Friday. I actually just got back from getting my lashes done at Deca Lash, trying out their new hybrid style. Going to be talking more about that over on Instagram. However, for me on Fridays, I usually either work from home or I will work from a coffee shop. Today, I'm thinking I'm going to take my stuff to the coffee shop, just get a little ambiance because the weather is like finally taking a turn. As you can see, it's nice, it's bright, the sun is shining. So I kind of don't want to be in the house, especially because it was gloomy all week. So let me show you like an easy early fall coffee shop outfit looks like for me. Fall is like my favorite time to go sit in the coffee shops because I just feel as though there's a lot more opportunities for the weather to be nice. They have the garage door opens by me, so something casual that I know I'm not gonna get like too cold or too hot in. I have my favorite Abercrombie jeans. These are the low-rise fit. I decided to add some texture, play with one of the fall trends, and that's just like sheer see-through tops. You have seen this from Zara. I love this, under 30 bucks. It goes with just about everything. It is literally like the perfect top, and I just love how it makes me feel. It's just like edgy but cool. It always gets the compliments. I'm like, who does not want to get compliments? Then I'm doing something I don't normally do, and that is actually just going with like what I think everyone else is gonna wear. These panda dunks, I feel like I see them everywhere. I totally understand why, because they really do go with just about everything. I actually want to find just like an all black pair, but I don't have a good pair of just all black sneakers that I like to wear for every day. So these actually, I get the hype. I get why everyone's buying them. I just be okay with wearing what everyone else is wearing. And then for the bag, this should be no surprise, my H&M tote bag. Everything fits in here. It just is a really well-constructed bag. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the rest of my stuff packed up, then head to the coffee shop for this beautiful Friday. I know I threw a lot at you through the video with tips and tricks, different ways to style, things to consider as you're putting outfits together. Make sure you go back and rewatch any section to get re-inspired, or come back to this video if you ever feel like you are in a slump. And if you found this video helpful, valuable, you really felt like you got a lot of takeaways, make sure that you hit the like button. That is a free indicator to me that you found this kind of content useful, and it will help this video reach other people who will find it equally as useful. In fact, I feel like if you liked this video, you should actually go ahead and check out my other videos on what I wore this week. Especially check out the fall looks from last year, because a lot of them actually still stand and look amazing for this year as well. So you can get even more inspiration, plus more tips and tricks and secrets on putting together a wardrobe that you love, dressing in a way that makes you feel absolutely amazing and look chic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.